Come test drive the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, fog lamps, fog lights, heated steering wheel, power brakes, compass, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, front stabilizer bar, cargo area light, airbags, battery saver. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.